everybody, I'm Barry with 1.7 Inc. here in Ravensdale, Washington. I'm standing in front of the G2X GapVax combination jetter sewer truck. This is one of the trucks I'm going to have at the Road and Street Show next week, Monday and Tuesday, the 23rd and 24th in Yakima. So if you're going to be at the show, come on over and I'll show you the truck. We can set up some demos and show you a little of the features that this truck has to offer. We're also going to have our camera truck over here from Proteus. So fully lined up camera inspection unit truck. We've got our compartment up here, fully integrated control system here, color coded, makes it super intuitive and easy to use. This truck can be set up in this fashion, or we can also use a portable clamshell style control system. Around the back here, show you our roller here, the RC500. It says 1,640 feet of Kevlar reinforced 2,000 pound test cable. So like I said, 1,640 feet. The crawler here is a CRP 140. It's our mid-range crawler. It says anywhere from 6-inch pipe up to 24-inch pipe. And if we need to get into something bigger for the storm guys, we've got the cradle here. Quick 4 bolts to adapt that, and we can run it down any of the storm drains. All our systems are capable for anywhere from 4 inches up to 88 inches. Also have a portable push camera setup. And these trucks can be set up in any sort of configuration you like, so whether you want to do it in a box truck or a bread truck or a van like this, we're totally capable of doing them. So if you're at the Road and Street Show in Yakima next Monday and Tuesday, come on by and see me, booth 39. And then other than that, feel free to contact us here at 1.7 Ravensdale. I'll bring the van or the truck out to you and we'll do some demos. All right, see you next week.